Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today, I will say, was a good, solid, bullish day, and one of the reasons why I would call it so bullish was it started off so bad. I mean, right here, this candle, represents the opening part of the day, and there's actually a gap down, and then even after the gap down, the price ran all the way down there, but then to give credit where credit's due, the bulls stepped in very nicely, and then from that point, it was essentially, a nice methodical push back to the upside. Sure, there was some selling the final portion of the day, but overall, I mean, when you stop and think about where the price ended up closing right there compared to where it was at the low points, any rational person would say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice bounce. And in fact, it still kept all these levels the exact same that I talked about in yesterday's video. The main level here at 18 cents. Again, for those of you that did watch the video from the 15th, talked about that as an area of support. And while it was temporarily broken below, like I said, during the first 50 or 30 minutes, because the price was able to get back up above it and close above it, that would now still be considered that area of support. And then the other level down here at 13 cents. But like I said, the good news is, and the sign of power came about via the price. Not only, just peeking its head back above 18 cents, I mean, it got above there and kept on going. So from that point of view, nothing new to report as far as levels of support. 18 cents and 13 cents, still those two couple levels. And then really the same is true on the flip side of things. Nothing new to report as far as resistance levels are concerned. Talked about right up here at 26 cents. And you can see the price didn't hit it exactly, but got within the ballpark of it before getting rolled back over. So that remains that key level of resistance going into Wednesday. All in all, though, like I said, I would consider today very bullish. Granted, there's still a whole lot more work to be done, right? I mean, if it's going to get back up into the 30s, then yeah, still work to be done. However, given how it started and then how it closed, you got to appreciate the bulls' effort here. So we'll see if they can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. Still 3 days left this week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.